We'd like to, in a very special way, as an organizing committee, invite all of you to join the university in celebrating its contribution in leveraging the African race and the rest of the world this far. We salute the great effort being implemented by the University Council and management to make sure this university stay the dream of the founding fathers. We thank you for making this university great. There are nations in this world or in Africa who cannot gather like we are here to celebrate achievements. So we don't take this for granted. We express our deepest appreciation to the government of Uganda under the leadership of His Excellency General Yoweri Museveni. I know many people within this beautiful setting and out there are more than committed to dipping their fingers in their pockets, opening their minds to make this university a great university. A great university for this country, for the African continent, and the rest of the world. On behalf of the organizing committee, I take this opportunity once again to welcome you all, and please come with open hands to make your contribution, to make this university, to make this country, to make Africa great. You're most welcome. Thank you.